Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Coffee, here to do my part to help you get a great night's sleep. Now, everybody knows that you can have the best bed, the best mattress, the best pillows, the best blankets in all the world, but if you're not relaxed and calm before you even get into that bed, it can be really tricky getting a restful night's sleep. One of the great ways to get restful before we get rest is through meditation. Now, I know a lot of people find meditation to be challenging because the thinking is that you have to get all the thoughts out of your head before it becomes meditation. That's actually not true. If we can dial down our thoughts just a little bit, if we can relax our bodies a little bit, that becomes meditation as well. And a great way to do that is through a body scan meditation. In a body scan meditation, the goal is not to remove all of our thoughts. Instead, the goal is to place our focus on different parts of our body and to relax them one by one until we complete the meditation. And ideally, by the end of that meditation, you should be all loosey-goosey and ready for a great night's sleep. So I'm here to help guide you through that body scan meditation. In order to get started, you can either be seated in a comfortable position that works for you. This is actually one of those meditations where I do encourage you to lay down because the goal is to get you to fall asleep. So either way, come into your comfortable position and just start to be more aware of your body and your breath. We spend so much time looking and thinking about the outside world, but now our goal is to go inward. So go ahead and get into your comfortable position and close your eyes. And now just become a little bit more focused on your breath. You don't have to breathe any deeper, but instead just be aware of it as you inhale and as you exhale. Again, inhaling and exhaling. Now, as you're meditating, you may hear external sounds. You may feel little aches and pains and be aware of them in your body. Rather than focusing on them or allowing them to bother you, simply be aware that they exist and send them on their way. Now, as we become more focused and more relaxed, let's start to put our attention one by one to different parts of our body and see if we can't get them to release a little bit of their tension. So we'll start at our feet. Place your focus on your feet and your ankles. Do you feel any little aches and pains, maybe from wearing the wrong shoes throughout the day or all the steps in the standing that you've been doing? Let's see if we can't encourage the muscles everywhere from our toes to our ankles to just melt a little and let go. Even imagining breathing in and letting that oxygen go all the way down through our legs and into our feet. Now let's bring our attention to our legs, our calves, our shins, and our knees. Releasing any tension that you may hold in those muscles. Imagining even the muscles and the tendons around our knees and kneecaps just melting as we breathe in and out. Now coming up to our thighs and hips. We carry so much tension there, especially if we're in a seated position all day. So let's relax those. Some of the largest muscles that we have. Breathe in to our hips and thighs. Feel them melting and relaxing. Feeling the backs of your legs easing into your seat or into the bed. And just letting go. Breathing in and breathing out. Now let's bring our attention to our stomach and our rib cage. Especially us women, we hold that area tight throughout the whole day, even when we're not aware of it. Well, no one's watching now, so let's let that go. Releasing your abdomen, feeling the rib cage expand and relax as we breathe in and out. In and out. Now we move to my favorite part, to our heart. Imagine if there were hands holding your heart throughout the day. Imagine those hands opening up and allowing your heart to beat a little stronger, to feed your body and its organs the blood that it needs. And imagining your heart opening up, releasing any of the stresses throughout the day and just doing what it does best, feeding your body life. Breathe into your heart and out. In and out. So now let's come to maybe the biggest vault of tension throughout the day, our neck and shoulders. Are you holding anything in your neck and shoulders that maybe you weren't aware of until just now? Let's send some relaxation into our neck and shoulders. There's nothing else they can do for us today but rest. Breathe in, even taking that air up into our clavicle, our shoulders, and release. Breathe in and release. Now our face, our jaw. Oh, throughout the day, it's clenched so much throughout the day. Maybe give it a little shift back and forth. Loosening it up, loosening your cheeks, your eyebrows, even your ears. Let's imagine it. Just relaxing, our head melting into the pillow or easing into our neck and shoulders. Breathing in and out. Now we come up to the top of our head, our scalp. And as we're there and as we breathe in, let's imagine all the tension throughout the day and anything that's left in our bodies. Just releasing out through the top of our head and melting away. We give all of that over to our night's sleep. Inhale all the way from your toes to your nose and out through the top of your head and out. And now let's breathe in and out one last time and catch any areas of our bodies that we may have missed in our meditation. Inhaling and exhaling. You've achieved a lot today, even if you don't know it. Be proud of that and treat yourself to a relaxed, deep, and peaceful night's sleep. And feel free to revisit this video anytime you might need just a little bit of guidance to release the stresses of the day. And sweet dreams. I'll see you soon. Namaste.